So first you open the command prompt, and then you compile the test3.java file. And once you compile it and run it, and that's where all this information comes out. And so now when we have this information, we go to the test3.java file. So here we are saying this will delete, get rid of the table if a table named student already exists. And here this will create the table if the student table does not exist yet. So this will first we create the table, and this table has 4 attributes. The ID, which is an integer, and it cannot be null, it cannot be empty, and it also it automatically increments. The name, which has a limit of 20 characters, the address, which has a limit of 50 characters, and the status, which has a limit of 10 characters, and the ID will be the primary key. So now, once we have the table and what we want for the information for the tuples, this right here will insert these values, which are all question mark, question mark, question mark. These values are inserted into the student table, the name, the address, and the status. So that is equal to 1 tuple. And then now we have insert into, so now this will be a second row or tuple. And it goes in order. So for the values of John Liu, which corresponds to the name attribute, 345 database road, which is the address attribute, and junior, which is the status attribute. This update command, it looks for where the name is Xiaoyang Liu, and it changes the address under that, or the attribute, for in this case the address, to where the name is Xiaoyang Liu to this new address. So this changes the address. And delete from this where the name is Xiaoyang Liu, it looks for where this name is, and it completely gets rid of that tuple. And so now it will be blank. And this is what I had to change the user. I kept the password the same as pass1234 that was given, and the user, this is how it allows it to connect to my local computer. And for the prepared statements, this sets one string equal to Xiaoyang Liu, the second one equal to the address here, and the third one equal to the status. And these are all prepared statements, and now this will execute the prepared statements.